Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I want to share with you how to decorate another large blank wall. Now today I will be sharing two different options, a very budget-friendly one and then more of a higher end one. So we're going to do a high-low option. Again, I live by the motto, you don't have to have much money, you just have to have some creativity, and I will show you how I did this wall. So I had this large blank wall in my bedroom, and I had several of these frames that I picked up from the Goodwill many years ago, about 6 or 7 years ago. They were a little over $1 a piece. I think they were $2.52, but they were 50% off, and I picked up all 9 frames. Now these frames are 11 by 14 frames, and if you pick them up from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, they'll run anywhere from $16.99 to $24.99 a frame. So after I took the frame, I also took some burlap that I had, for many years when I did my husband's graduation party when he got his master's. I reused the burlap that I had for his party, and I just put a little bit of that burlap inside the frames as kind of like a backing. Instead of putting a mat on there, that was the backing. And then I just took some scrapbook paper that I had, some vintage Parisian scrapbook paper, and then stuck those on top and popped those inside of a frame. And what I like about this is very versatile because I can just switch out the pictures, the colors, anything like that whenever I choose to update the look. Now, if you have a little bit more money to spare, you can purchase some wall sconces. And again, these are some huge wall sconces that I picked up from the Ballards clearance center. And these were originally $149 each, but they were 50% off. So I got them for $75 a piece. So the total project cost to do something like this would be about $165. Now, if you don't have $165 to spend, what I would suggest, instead of putting sconces on either side, what you could do is just extend the picture frames and have a larger picture frame wall. For $25, you can have a completed, beautiful wall. And then right underneath the sconces and the picture frames, I just placed the 2 stools that used to be at the end or the foot of my bed and put those against the wall. I've had these for over 12 years now, and I still absolutely love them. I recently, within the last 8 months, like 6 to 8 months, had them recovered for the second time when I originally purchased them. And here's another tip: when you see something you really like and it may not be the color that you want, you can always get it recovered. So these stools had a like burnt orange and green type cover on them, and I had them upholstered, and they were in a silk baby blue, and that lasted for a good 10, 11 years until I reupholstered them in this nice velvet baby blue. And now I just have a place to kind of just sit or throw the pillows off my bed. I can put that there, and I just think it's a beautiful, beautiful look in addition to fill up that blank wall. I think picture frames are an absolute economical way to add impact without having to add a lot of cost when decorating. And if you have not seen my other videos on how to decorate large blank walls, I'll leave a link to those videos in the description box below. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.